Good morning, everyone. How are you? It has definitely been a minute since I've done a proper YouTube video like this, just talking to you and really a day in the life. So I'm really excited to be spending this time with you today. Holy smokes, has there ever been a lot going on? It's time for an update.
Good morning. Holy Lena, you were here until 10:30 last night?
Yeah, me and Lena.
With you?
Yeah.
You're not delirious yet?
No, well, good news. I got some breakfast pastries from Cobb's.
Yeah, I feel like we should all just take a second before we get into the day and like just have a minute to be human beings together and have a coffee. And not talk about work.
Totally.
That's awesome. And I don't even know
No, it's my favorite. Like,
Well, Lena, you look great for only a few hours of sleep.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think it's maybe on YouTube. I want to see if I can find this where they did. He watched it without you?
well, he didn't like. I think I didn't like the first episode, and he's like,
I love it. I can't wait for the next one to come out. Yesterday morning, though, I got up early and did a meditation. And I was like lying on my back. And then partway through the meditation, I felt a flutter. And I was like, whoa. And then it actually kind of like, I got a little teary-eyed. So first, let's talk about the pregnancy. Can you see it? I'm showing pretty good, hey?
Yeah.
If you saw and watched my life and business update, which was the last video that I published, I was actually pregnant at that time. I was a couple weeks into the pregnancy, but of course wasn't ready to say anything or announce anything. And if you've been following me on Instagram, then you would have seen me make this announcement on Instagram before I've had a chance to do it on YouTube. I would love to do a proper pregnancy story video. I mean, a lot of you know that I was going through IVF, but kind of walk you through the lead up to up until now, about 4.5 months along, and talk about that as a whole separate video. But for now, I'm in the studio. I'm at House of Bohn at our head office. It's a beautiful fall day. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really, really good. I love this texture with the green. I think that's cool. Which I guess would just be the same as the upper cabinets. I think that's cool.
But is that another additional cost?
I know, that's... And I would say let's do a stone and painted. But if you like that hardware, then I feel like it needs to be a black plumbing package.
No, it won't be black.
I'm okay with black. Are you okay with black? These ones have black, so the white has black. This warm skin has almost like a lot of bronze.
I think it's a little too overdone as well right now.
This is the white scheme. You don't think that looks good? I'm okay with the black.
but I don't like with black.
Okay. Holy cow, I can't believe how like enthusiastic and committed and hardworking my team is right now. We've had a pretty crazy deadline, so a couple team members were here until 10:30 last night.
Holy Lena, you were here until 10:30 last night?
Totally. That's
I
awesome. For those of you who asked me about interior design, getting into the field and the career in general, it requires so much hard work and dedication. The meeting that we just wrapped is we're putting together the concept for a brand new multifamily project that we're working on. We're really excited about this concept. It is so beautiful. So I'm looking forward to this presentation on Friday. I think it's gonna go really well. We're just like getting into it and hustling, and it's gonna be a very busy and hectic, but it's gonna be a great day. And you're gonna see it because JP's behind the camera today. Okay. Our ginormous Chateau project, which is the whole reason why we call it Chateau, is still in play. Still very much in play. I feel like we haven't even gotten to halftime yet. Lena's been working on this massive drawing set. How many pages is it? 100 and something pages. The biggest drawing set we've ever done for residential projects, so it's pretty massive. We've got some hardware that we're gonna look at, some lighting that we're gonna look at. This will be a fun design meeting. Crystal, keep it down over there. We're filming a feature film over here. Look at this hardware. This hardware is unbelievable. First of all, it's unbelievable in its beauty. This is unbelievable in its weight. This is so heavy. And then we have our little 5-pound ones. Yep. Okay, so then you don't need the samples then. Okay. Good job. Great job. Yeah, a lot has changed actually since over the last many months. And for those of you who've been watching the channel for a long time, I mean, you will have seen that I went through this whole restructure in my company, which took almost a year. The restructure ended up eventually leading to a downsize. And the reason I bring that up is because I don't know if you'd call it a silver lining, but I definitely feel really like blessed and so grateful to have downsized my team and to have really been able to spend way more time personally just enjoying life. It was like two ships passing. It was like the downsize was done, stress was completely alleviated, and it happened almost overnight. I feel like this is a big reason as to why I'm pregnant and have stayed pregnant, and I've just really enjoyed spending more time in the mornings and the evenings, on the weekends, being reflective and just a lot more quiet and a little bit more introverted, and really soaking up a lot more just time, being stiller, getting up in the morning and enjoying a cup of tea and doing it a lot slower, or reading a couple pages from my book before heading into the office, taking Oscar for a walk and really just enjoying the moment, like looking around and enjoying the summer and noticing the trees and the flowers and the beautiful weather. It's been such a gift to kind of slow down and be more present. Before, when it was so frantic and chaotic, I mean, yes, I was being creative, but it was like reactive creative. Whereas now I find that in the stillness and in the calmness, there's like this creativity that seems to, I don't know, it just kind of flows differently. It flows better. It reminds me why I got into interior design in the first place. And I'm so excited about this because I have so many new ideas, so many fresh ideas about my business and about content, and it's a really joyful place to be. So to be in a place where I have this newfound like enthusiasm and joy and excitement, just connecting differently with people at work has made a huge difference to like our morale and the culture. But yeah, like the vibe in the office is really good right now, and it feels good. Like it feels like this is the company that I've been wanting to build. This is what I set out to do, and it just feels right. Okay, so let's answer a couple questions that came through on Instagram. Can't wait to see the baby in the office. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring the baby to the office, but you never know. Might put her to work early. How many people are currently in your team? We currently have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We currently have 7 people on our team. How did the team react to the pregnancy? Great question. The team reacted great. Everyone has been super excited. I've been really grateful to have such a supportive team, and it's been really fun to actually share this with the team, like on the regular, on the daily. So it really feels special to have a team that you're close to and that you can share these things with. I actually shared this with my team pretty early. So I wasn't through the first trimester yet, but it just sort of felt like right to share it with the team and to be open with the team. And as you guys know, I went through a few miscarriages, and the last one that I went through, nobody knew I was pregnant at the time, and I miscarried at 10 weeks, and that was a very difficult and lonely experience to not have anyone know. Plus, I was really eating so much during the day that a couple people could tell something was up, for sure. Please tell us how your life is changing while expecting your baby. That's a great question. How is my life changing? Well, I do have to start planning, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do yet for mat leave, how much time I'm gonna take off, what the transition looks like. That's definitely gonna be something that's top of mind for me in the coming months. The biggest change, which I touched on earlier in the day, which is really just a life change, and it coincides with being pregnant, but it's not necessarily because of the pregnancy. The change is that I am really loving and appreciating a much more slower pace. Like I was saying earlier today, I feel like this has hugely impacted my work and the way that I view work. I love everything that I've done today so far. Like, I really love going through drawings. I really love looking at lighting. We were looking at hardware, you know, really getting into the detail of the design is something that I love, and as a creative director, I think that's really, really important. And it's very challenging and difficult to do if you're spread too thin. It's actually almost impossible to do. I've come to learn that I really enjoy being hands-on with projects, and I really enjoy being involved with clients. And I feel like we have way healthier projects as a result. So it's been a big change, and it will continue to go in that direction for now, but it's been a good change. I love this question. What will you use as your diaper bag? I have no idea yet. I have no idea, but if you have any recommendations, I will definitely take some. Last question would be, how is the Kaladin project going? I'm so glad that you asked. Still in motion. We are actually supposed to be doing a photo shoot in October, so right around the corner. We're gonna get the furniture package together and try to make this happen. Traveling within Canada is a little bit tricky right now, so I'm not making any promises, but when we do make this happen, you better believe that you're gonna be getting an amazing project update and project tour. Great. As you guys know all too well, content has been a big, big part of my business and my life for a long time. Crystal and I have been working on a whole content system with the smaller team. Things are a little more organized, a little bit more manageable. We're able to zero in and find problems quicker and solve them much faster. I only say that because as a business person and an entrepreneur, you're always solving problems, always solving problems. I remember I heard someone say, if you don't have any problems, you don't have a business.
Very true.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen to that. say thanks for showing up and watching this video. It was really fun to connect with you guys today. I wanted to take you through a new day in the life and give you guys an update. So I'm happy that we finally got to do that. It's really exciting that we've done it in the office. You can probably see that some desks have moved around. This sofa is in a different location. We are planning on getting a project tour out for this office space. So we're working on that, and I'm hoping, again, I make no promises, but I'm hoping that we'll have that out to you guys in a few weeks. So let me know how you're doing. Hit me up in the comments. I want to know what's going on with you. Where are you at? How's life going? Are you good? Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Couple of minutes. Yeah, when you're ready, JP. I was gonna say, I'm ready when you're ready.